Moving into your new home is an exciting milestone. But before you actually do so, there's one crucial step you shouldn't skip. You should schedule a move-in cleaning service first. You might be thinking, why'd I need a cleaning service? It's just a little dust. However, new homes aren't always as clean as they seem. Even if the contractor did some basic cleaning, construction dust from leftover materials may still linger. And there's a large chance they missed certain areas like those behind large appliances. But what other reasons are there to book a professional cleaner? Let's dive into them today. First, you'll have a completely fresh start, like hitting a reset button. Moving into a pristine home sets the tone for your new life. Move-in cleaning services know how to reach all the nooks and crannies so every corner is spotless. Second, you'll enjoy several health benefits. These cleaners can remove the dust, allergens, and germs from your new home. This way, your family can have a healthier environment to live in. You can breathe easy knowing it's been cleaned from top to bottom. And lastly, who doesn't want to save time? Moving is exhausting, after all. Why spend even more energy on trying to clean as well? By hiring expert cleaners to handle the cleaning for you, you can just focus on settling in later. Of course, it never hurts to do a quick inspection to make sure the cleaning crew did their job correctly. Knowing your new home is completely tidied up and ready for moving in will give you more peace of mind. So before you start packing those boxes, consider booking a move-in cleaning service with Kungfu Helper. We'll make sure your home is truly ready for a fresh, clean start. You and your family deserve a new lease in life, wouldn't you agree?